Empty spaces. What are we leaving for? Abandoned places. I guess we know the score. On and on. Does anybody know what we are living for? Another hero. Another mindless crime. Behind the curtain. In the pantomime. Hold the line. Does anybody not want to take it anymore? Show must go on. Show must go on. Yeah. Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. Whatever happens, I leave it all to chance. Another headache, another failed romance. On and on. Does anybody know what we are living for? I guess I'm learning. I must be warmer now. I'll soon be turning around the corner now. Outside my heart is breaking, but inside in the dark I'm aching to be free. Show must go on. Show must go on. Yeah, yeah. Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. Über den Dächern ist es so kalt und so still. Ich schweig deinen Namen, weil du ihn jetzt nicht hören willst. Der Abgrund der Stadt verschlingt jede Träne, die fällt. Da unten ist nichts mehr, was dich hier oben noch hält. Ich schrei in die Nacht für dich, lass mich nicht im Stich, spring nicht. Die Lichter warnt dich nicht, sie betrüben dich, spring nicht. Erinnere dich an dich und mich, die Welt da unten zählt nicht. Bitte spring nicht. So, to sing, I can advise you one thing. So, to take your left hand and take your left leg in it and power on your left side as if you having some weight on your left hand. So when you're doing so, you making your left side working in normal state, because naturally when you're not doing it, so your left side is switched off, kind of, because it is weak, and only your right side is functioning. And if you will sing not doing anything, you will sing only using right side of you. But to use all of you, you need extra power on your left side. And the advice that I can give you, which should help, is to make so. And when you're doing it, you will tire very fast, but that way you will sing in center of your head, which is the way to sing. So, and by making so, you will be able to sing any song actually out there. So let's sing once again. So, taking our left leg into hand, and let's go. Empty spaces, what are we living for? Abandoned places, I guess we know the score. On and on, does it